Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Foundation guys here on my PC. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share all the steps I did for myself guys, so you can learn it also you how to do it by yourself on your PC as well. Okay, so I will continue this tutorial immediately right now to show everything you need to know. So as you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device you're using, it can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps are going to be the same practically because we're going to get a game code which you can redeem after a copy of the game for free, okay? So all you have to do guys, you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google, any kind of internet browser that you prefer. Go and type here coupons.com. All right. So once you're going to enter inside guys, you can use here the dark mode if you want. All right, so just me refresh one more time the page. Okay, and you can use the dark mode, or if you want, depends on how do you prefer. You have different things you can check later guys. I'm just going to use the searching bar not to make the video too long, and to find easiest. Okay, here it is. We press here and you scroll it down, and then you have to get the code, and then you just press here show coupon code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circle to get completed. This is to check the validity of the coupons left, and then here it says that the code is locked, so we need to get the full code guys. You just press on it and it's going to redirect you to another page where it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code for free guys. So basically it's very simple to do it. All you have to do, you just need to read the instructions. But anyway, I'm going to explain to you as well. So it says to download the complete two apps below guys to unlock Foundation game code, and down below you have a note which says do not use VPN or proxy. Probably it will fail if you do that. So down below you're going to find this list guys of the apps, which as you can see they're all for free. You don't have to pay anything for it. This is very important. And then all the apps here, as you can see, they are from Play Store and App Store, so you don't have to do anything outside official stores guys. Okay, all you have to do, you just need to choose two of these two apps to complete as a task. You need to read the instructions. Every app has different instructions, so try to find which is the easiest one so you don't lose also too much time. And once you're going to choose which you want to do it guys, you just need to press on it. For example, I'm going to do this High Five Casino. This is simple one. It says install and open to unlock this content. Okay, it's going to redirect me to the App Store because I'm using iPhone, but you can redirect to the Play Store if you're using Android. Okay, so just to download it. So this app particularly is asking just to download and to install it, and I'm just gonna skip this part in the video guys. I'm gonna complete the both apps, and then I'm gonna come to you so I don't make the video too long to show you the rest of the steps. Okay guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did have Casino and Family Island. So I'm just gonna go now to back to site. As you can see, you have Family Island here and High Five Casino. So all you have to do after you complete both tasks, you just go back to the site, and as you can see, you get the code revealed. You just copy the code guys, and then you can use it after. You can rate the site if you like it, if you don't know. And this is it practically guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos. Cheers.